What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. My name's Daniel Hale and today I'm going to show you how to make custom covers for your Instagram profile that look like this. Why do I want to do that? Well, when you make your page look a little bit brighter, it's a lot more appealing, makes people want to follow. Also, we can trick people into jumping on our profile page so that they follow us by making an Instagram highlight ring. So let's not waste any time at all. We're gonna dive right into it. First thing we're gonna do, we gotta download Phonto. Alright guys, so first things first, we're gonna go into our app store, we're gonna go to search, and we are gonna download the app Phonto. P-H-O-N-T-O. There it is with the P. I'm gonna go to open. Alright, so next now, we are going to go to Google, we're going to go to images, and we're going to type in Instagram profile picture templates. As soon as we get there, we're going to scroll down, and we're going to see there is our Instagram ring right there, and we're going to save that. We're going to take it right into our Phonto app. Okay guys, so now we're inside of our app Phonto. What we're going to do is we're going to click and we are going to go photo albums. And the first photo that we're going to do, we're going to add our Instagram ring. Now we have our Instagram ring on there. We're going to click on that again. Or I'm sorry, we're going to go down to our left corner. And we're going to go add image. Now we have add image, and I'm going to use this photo right here that I recently just edited. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the circle, and we have our circle. So now what we're going to do, we're going to adjust it, make it exactly how we like it and how we want it to look on our Instagram profile. I think that's kind of cool there. We got some shark. It's perfect. Maybe we'll zoom in a little bit more. And there it is. So we're going to hit done, and it's going to load in with our picture. Okay, so now we're going to go right and we're going to try and get it as close to the middle as possible, which there looks pretty good. We're going to tap it again and we're going to go to size. So as soon as we hit the size, now we're going to adjust all the way until we get close to where we have a white ring and that pink Instagram ring. So now what this does is when we upload this to our profile picture, which that looks just about right, I really like that. Now we're going to save it, and it's going to go right into our photos, save successfully, and we're ready to upload that right into our Instagram. Alright guys, and that is how you make custom covers for your Instagram profile. If you don't want to miss any future videos, I'm going to show you a lot of tutorials about social media and content creating, editing photos, all sorts of cool stuff like that. So don't forget, subscribe down below, like this video, and if you have any questions or comments that you want to make on what videos I should make in the future, drop me a comment and I will respond. See you guys next time.